Hello friends, welcome to 11th standard admission portal of Ramniranjan Jhunjhunwala Junior College. Open your browser, that is either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox on your computer, and open the website rjcjroa.digitalcollege.in. Before starting to fill the form, please read all the instructions given on the portal. A link is given in the top link, that is instruction for 11th form filling. After reading the instructions, click on register button. Enter your name, birth date, mobile number, email address, and then click on disclaimer button. Read all the details given on this page, then select the checkbox and click on agree button. Now click on register button. System will generate your username and send an OTP to your mobile number. Enter the OTP in the given text box. After entering the OTP, enter your new password and set with your login. Now log in with the login ID given by system and the password set by you. Then click on login button. This is dashboard. Your name is shown on the page. First you will have to complete your profile. First click on photo sign button. Browse your photo file on your computer, crop it and then upload. Likewise, upload your signature also. After proceed button, you will get the remark as signature uploaded successfully. Now enter your reservation details like category, subcategory, occupation of your guardian. Then enter your extracurricular activity and then click on save and proceed button. Here you will have to enter your SSC details. Select the board, that is either CBSE or Maharashtra State Board. Then enter your other SSC details like roll number, date of passing, mark sheet number, marks, and then click on save button. Here your SSC details are shown on the page. Now click on proceed button. Enter your address details. If your correspondence address and permanent address is same, then click on this checkbox. Then click on save and proceed button. The personal details entered on first page are shown on this page. Enter other details like your name in regional language or your mother tongue, place of birth, citizenship, your Aadhaar number. Then click on save and proceed button. Enter your contact details on this page. Here your profile is completed. Now click on confirm profile details button. Click on each tab and confirm the details entered by you are correct or not. After checking all the tabs, click on confirm that I have checked my personal, contact, address, social and education details, and then click on confirm profile and apply online. Here your profile is completed. After clicking on confirm profile button, you cannot edit any details from these tabs. Here you will have to select your course. The course name like FYJC Science IT. FYJC means first year junior college. Then Science IT, Commerce, Arts, like these course names are given in this page. The course type, that is this seat is unaided or aided, are also shown, and the course schedule is shown. Select the apply button given for the particular course. That is, if you want to apply for FYJC Commerce course for aided seat, then you will have to click on this apply button. After clicking on apply button, the minimum eligibility criteria for that particular course will be shown on the page. Kindly read all the instructions and then click on agree button. Here your SSC details are shown. Select the SSC qualification and then select the quota for which you want to apply. Then click on submit button. Select the college. As per the course selected by you, the subject list will be shown on the page. For example, if you have selected Science IT, then science subjects will be shown. These are for commerce and these are for arts. Select the papers as per the course. After the selection, system will show the selected subjects on the page. Now click on proceed button. Select the fee category. The fee in the fee category will be shown on the page. Click on submit button. Here the compulsory documents and additional documents will be shown. Compulsory documents are already selected. Please select the additional documents that you will submit in the college. The document list will be shown on the page selected by you, and upload button is given for each document. Now click on upload button and then click on choose file button and select the document file saved on your computer. After uploading the document, the view button is enabled. You can click on this button and see the uploaded document by you. If it is wrong document or it is not showing clearly, then you can re-upload the document. Likewise, complete all the uploading documents. If any document is wrong or any document is blur, then college can reject your form. In that case, you will get a link for re-uploading the document in your login. Here your form is completed. Now click for the payment button. The fee category will be shown. Select the online payment mode. Now system will redirect to UPS and then on bill desk page. Enter your card details or internet banking details and complete the payment process. After completing the payment, you can click on application status button given on left side to check the status. Form number is generated for your application, the course is shown and its status. After completing the form, college will approve your form as per the merit list, and then this status will be updated in your application status. You can check the application status anytime. You can get the receipt of your transaction by clicking on Receipt Transaction Details given on the left side. You can also get print of the receipt. After completing one application, if you want to apply for any other course, or you have applied for an aided seat and now you wish to apply for unaided seat, then you will have to again click on apply online button, and then select the course that you want to apply. Then further process is same for that application. I hope you will find this video helpful while doing your application. Thank you.